The surface should be firm, perfectly clean and leveled. For a proper installation of tiles, use C1 cement adhesive. Spread a thin layer of adhesive using a number 3 trowel. Place the tile while the adhesive is still soft. Use cross pieces to maintain uniformity in joints. Press gently with a clean rubber trowel to achieve proper adhesion. To cut the tiles, use a metal blade wheel. To make cutting easier, a rigid support should be used. Allow the adhesive to get dry before continuing with grouting. Follow adhesive manufacturer instructions. Use a fine aggregate material for grouting. Spread the grouting with the help of a smooth rubber trowel. Use a damp sponge to wash off the excess of grouting paste from the surface, avoiding any undue pressure on the tile, as this type of material can be scratched very easily.